I'm reviewing the AIrhogs Thunderstrike plane today. It's the first one I've actually bought from AIrhogs. They've had several other planes. If you go to their website, you'll see they have a bunch of planes that they've done in the past. But this is the first one I've bought, just to see how well it actually would fly and how good a control you have over it. If anyone's ever bought one of their helicopters, you'll see that it's difficult to control inside. You have some control over it. It takes a whole lot of practice. This one is an outdoor model, so I bought this one to see how well it works. In this particular model, as you can see, only at Target. That's the only place I found it. It sells for $34.99 at Target is the current price. I looked at Walmart, Toys R Us, couldn't find it anywhere else. You can find a lot of other similar models elsewhere though. As you can see, the plane has the two rear engines. It actually has pretty decent remote, real basic controls. When you hook it in here, it charges 30 minutes the first time you hook it up, and after that it charges a little bit quicker than that. The instructions say not to use it where there's buildings or a lot of heavy winds. The first video you'll see why you shouldn't use it around buildings when I first tried it out. So let me get to the videos.